So I'm going to use the Meguiar's DA microfiber correction compound, which is a little bit more tough. I'm going to polish the hood. I'm not going to mask it off, but I'm just going to see the left and right.
I live inside my own world of make-believe.
Alright, so I started polishing just to see what level of acceptance I can have. And as you can see, this is clean, but this side is polished. So it's looking way better versus here. And this is not wet or anything. This is just like compound and polish. So it's gonna even look better than this. And so the difference is amazing. I didn't do masking tape. I just kind of, because I'm gonna do the whole hood, of course, but wow. Wow. That's what I meant by it should be more circular, those can lights, then instead of looking like that, it looks more like this, which is great. All right, so got most of the hood polished, or compound. These bird poop marks are gonna be there. I wanna see if I can make it look a little bit better, but I definitely don't wanna play around with this too much because it can look a lot worse. Use 1500 grit, and then I'm gonna use 2000 grit. I'm gonna wet sand this. So you can still see it, but it's a lot less noticeable. So overall, it's a win in my book. All right, so I'm gonna do the headlights. You can probably see it is pretty bad. So I would recommend masking off everything here, but I'm not gonna do it because I'm just not gonna sand that anymore. So here we go. I'm gonna start with 1000 grit and then move up to 1500 and then 2000. All right, so this is still drying, but this was 1500 grit. Now I'm gonna do 2000 grit. So I do have it. This is 2000 grit, it's a little wet still, but after 2000 grit, I am just gonna use polishing compound for plastics, and it should look real good. Headlight is looking a lot better. Still need to coat it, so it would even look better than that. Haven't done this headlight yet. This one wasn't as bad as that headlight, the passenger headlight, so I started on that one first. So, gotta have some ceramic coating for this bad boy. Using the CQ UK quartz. And here's pretty much the sealant, the magic. Here is the little fabric. Make a little line, we're gonna be good. So before I do that, I'm just gonna give it a little quick wipe down. So a line like this. I'm gonna start in force. All right, 2 layers of ceramic coat later, and I'm gonna finish it off. It's been about an hour, so I'm gonna do this little top coat. So this is really good against like repelling water, but apparently the ceramic by itself, it's still like can have like water spots, and the sealant helps. Silica spray sealant helps prevent that. So you have layers of protection, and yeah, you just spray and wipe. All right, so this is my car, the Honda S2000, in the sun after ceramic coating, after cut and polish. So you can definitely tell it is in way better shape in terms of paint. So let's look at some reflections. Clouds are looking good, paint is looking good. Woo, it's gonna look immaculate right there. At least, you know, in the front. Here you go. Front end is looking so much better. The hood was the biggest offender, but now you can see the reflections are looking oh so good. Just look how creamy and sharp those reflections are now. Ooh, you gotta love to see it. You love to see it. Of course, that is no secret to it. I do be loving black cars, so definitely want to take care of them. So just check it out. Check out those reflections. Now the wheels I'm planning to refinish, so I did wash them, but they aren't like super anything crazy cleaning. Just a normal washing with wheel cleaner and then pressure wash them. As far as the rear, here it is, looking good. Let's see if you see that sun. So again, the paint was in real bad shape. Looks like I can wipe right there a little bit by the keyhole. There's some sealant still there, but again, trunk, paint, everything is prepped beautifully. So I'm just gonna walk around the car real quick so I can show it very similar to my original video. And you can kind of see the comparison. But overall, really happy with the S2000, and it should be looking beautiful.